Ang large format ng DT Dumaguete machine na ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 134 total meters. Printer head area, cupping, head clean, punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean, third clean nozzle check, ang tank tama lang po, ground wire, EVR, wistang kalinis lang po ito kahapon. Namin na SIM-YK. Ito na yung sublimation paper namin na 44 meters. Consumable monitoring, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sublimation paper, daily output record, daily checklist. Ito naman yung ICC profile ko. Yan lang po.